Have you ever wondered why you can't sneeze with your eyes open? It's a fascinating fact that has intrigued many. Let's dive into the science behind this curious phenomenon. When you sneeze, your body performs a quick expulsion of air. This rapid action requires automatic responses from your muscles. One of these muscles includes those around your eyes. The moment you sneeze, your brain sends signals. It triggers your eye muscles to close, protecting them during this reflex. This mechanism is important to prevent debris from entering your eyes. Sneezing releases airborne irritants too. We don't want those in our eyes. Think about it like this. It's similar to blinking. Your eyes close to protect themselves from quick threats, like bright lights or dust. It's all part of our body's protective measures. So, the next time you feel a sneeze coming, remember why your eyes shut tight. It's nature's way of keeping you safe. In summary, sneezing and closing your eyes is a protective reflex. Next time you sneeze, notice how your body knows just what to do. Want to learn more fascinating facts? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.